There are anecdotes of endeavors etched in the annals of time that continue to enrich the inspiring legacy left behind in the present. A beginning of one such phenomenon had its foundation, laid by late Shri Bal Mukund Goyal and late Shri Dharampal Goyal with the establishment of Gola Steel and Casting Private Limited some 7 decades back. The endeavor consolidated over an enterprising spirit into an overwhelming reality as the RIF Group.
RIF stands for Right Investment Forever because of topmost quality, excellency and durability.
A premium product range that comes out from the manufacturing units of this group has since dominated the foundry industry. Group's reputation has been recognized by the nodal agencies and it is also revered by the performance-driven market, both domestic as well as international. The group is placed among the best on the highest level and continues to be the most preferred brand among the architects, builders, contractors, plumber, dealers and the intelligent consumer.
मुझे 25 साल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर कंपनी के हो गए यहाँ तक। मैं RIF का ही माल बेचता हूँ और कोई ब्रांड का माल नहीं करता हूँ। मेरा माल अच्छे से बिल्डर्स, अच्छे से मल्टी स्टोरी बिल्डिंग, होटल्स एंड ऑल सप्लाई मेरी RIF के माल की है। मैं साउथ दिल्ली पूरा करता हूँ और मुझे कोई माल में कंप्लेंट नहीं है। माल हर तरह से संतुष्टि से हर जगह अप्रूव्ड है। कोई क्वालिटी के अंदर कहीं कंप्रोमाइज कंपनी का नहीं है।
RIF Group achieves its industry brilliance through a combination of elements and vital among them is the seamless manufacturing process. A comprehensive infrastructure plants at Punjab, UP and Rajasthan provides powerful support to the strong production capacity of the group. The entire flow begins with the raw materials that are put to stringent analytical test before being forwarded for any production usage. A range of sand sieves and mesh sizes are used in the selection of sand size for mold and core for a specific casting to ensure a smooth surface and quality. RIF's plants were among the first to embrace the cokeless cupola practice, wherein natural gas is used for fuel, which is based on a technology of RT Taft from UK. The quality of metal is maintained through a constant monitoring of metal temperature of both cupola and induction furnaces. Uniform physical properties in accordance with the grade of casting are achieved through chemical analysis of the metal from both the furnaces. A detailed checklist is matched for various aspects before releasing the patterns, dies and core boxes for production. Correct weight of the liquid metal is ensured through digital crane weighing and balances on load cells. A blend of conventional and modern methods for the molds includes a range of semi-automatic process and equipments like knockout machine, swivel and bench grinders and drilling machines. The casting that are manufactured at these plants are knocked out and are subjected to swivel and bench grinders and external coating. There are centrifugal casting machines for the pipes. The pipes cleaned externally and are ground at both ends to achieve a clean surface. Abrasive cutting machines cut the pipe precisely and a water test is carried out before the next step. Quality control at RIF is paramount and it runs on principles that allow no space for compromise at any stage of production. At RIF, it is quality first and quality always. All the specifications from the authorities, irrespective of their geographical diversity, are strictly adhered to. Areas like dimensions, physical properties, surface smoothness of the castings and many more are inspected in great detail. An efficient team of professionals take on the responsibility to ensure and maintain high quality standards of the products. This team is well supported by various equipments and sets of technology at their dispense that has been provided by the group. RIF as a company has been relentless in upholding the quality standards, and this has been equally reciprocated through recognition by the authorities as well. The company has been accredited with many prestigious honors like ISO 9001-2008 certified manufacturer of cast iron pipes, pipe fitting and main hole covers, registered with Bureau of Indian Standards, registered with Engineering Exports Promotion Council India, registered with India Trade Promotion Organization, member of Indo-German Chamber of Commerce. There is a strong bond between the trust of the customer and the group's credibility. This is a feat that has been earned through decades of constant upgradation of technology and process. The workforce at RIF displays supreme dedication and efficiency by registering outstanding performance. There is an absolute coordination among the professionals and the work culture is rich with constructive thought process. Under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Kuldeep Goyal, the MD, and Mr. Kanhaiya Goyal, the Executive Director, a proficient management team coordinates its activities to perfection. RIF Group's strong functional ethics enables it manufacture a spectacular range of products. This include cast iron soil pipes, fittings, manhole covers, hand pump castings, ductile iron pipe fittings, ornamental castings in cast iron, ductile iron automobile castings and other value-added casting. The group has been exporting to countries like America, Europe, Middle East, Africa, Southeast Asia and member countries of SAARC and Afghanistan. Illustrious domestic clients of the group of the highly reputed names in the corporate world like Central Public Works Departments of India, Military Engineers Services, Government of India, Delhi Development Authority, Government of India, Steel Authority of India, Reserve Bank of India. The list continues with many more similar government and semi-government bodies. The organization has stood by its commitment to serve the society by spreading the light of knowledge. Sumit Rahul Goyal Memorial Senior Secondary School, located at Kamla Nagar in Agra, is a marvel of human compassion, established in the memory of the two precious jewels from the family and the founder chairman, late Shri D.P. Goyal. The organization has been extending its support in taking care of the senior citizens through its old age homes. The girl-child hostels run by RIF have been integral to social welfare programs of the organization. A magnificent temple built by RIF reflects its regard for the spiritual bliss of the society, and the organization remains dedicated in caring for it through its deep regard for the religion. 7 decades of glorious past has already been etched in the annals of eternity. Now the future waits its turn to witness the mesmerizing marvel of human endeavor.
Our previous generations have worked day in and day out to make RIF the brand it is. We, the 5th generation of this family tree, would like to work in the same level of commitment and passion towards this organization, incorporating new technologies and innovations to take it to greater heights, not only domestically but also on the global front.
Our immediate future plans are to enter into ductile iron castings and PVC applications.
RIF Group has come a long way, leaving behind a history of milestones that once stood tall as one big challenge, but today they are an inspiring part of an illustrious legacy. The saga continues, or is it a fabulous beginning of one?